Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to ask the user to enter a string. And then we would like to check to see if that entered string starts with a specific character or not. For example, we're going to ask the user to enter a string. The user is going to enter, for example, Reza. Okay. And then we would like to check and see if the entered a string by the user starts with R, with the letter R or not. Okay, so this is some validation. Maybe the user is going to enter something and we would like to check if the user is entering something that is starting with R, for example. Okay, this is how we're going to proceed. Here, to do that, here I'm showing this message to the user and saying that enter a string. Okay, and whatever the user is going to enter is stored in the text variable. Then we are having another variable called start, and we would like to enter the starting character to check. Okay, so here I would say, for example, R, because I want to check if the input string by the user is starting with R or not. Okay, and whatever that we enter here is going to be assigned to start variable, and to check to see if a string starts with that specific character, we show this message first using the print function. Does the string start with? And then I type down the name of the variable start with the character that we want to check. And then in order to actually tell the compiler to check this for us, we can type down the name of the string that the user entered, which is text, and then use the start with function. So this is the name of the function, start with function, and in parentheses we type down the name of the variable that is storing the character. Okay, so let me run the code once. It says enter a string. I type down Reza, and then it asks me to enter a starting character. I would like to check if Reza starts with R. When I enter, it says, does the string starts with R? And the answer is true. Yes, it starts with R. Okay. For example, if I type down, for example, a string Reza and then I type down H, I would like to check if the string Reza starts with an H. When I enter, it says the answer is false because Reza does not start with an H. So this is how we can do it. Basically, we are first storing the string, then storing the character, starting character, and in order to call the start with function, we type down the name of the string dot start with function, and in parentheses we type down the name of the variable that is used to store the character. Thank you for watching.